Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. In case you are new here, my good name is Molen. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. In case you are new here, karibu sana. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the village. I've just woken up. I want to prepare a breakfast. So let me show you what I'm doing. So here guys, I'm making tea. I'm making white tea, white African tea. That is a chicken coop. We have so many chicken coop here. That one for the chicks. We have for the butter, for ducks, for the ducks. This is for the ducks. Then another one here for the big chicken. So guys, I've done with the tea. So this is hot water, which I'm going to use to wash the utensils. So guys, I'm taking my breakfast. Outside it's drizzling, so I'm taking my breakfast inside. So this is leftover food from yesterday and tea. Others are having bread, but I prefer having ugali. This is how we do it in the village, guys. There's no faking. This is how most of people in the village normally eat leftover food for breakfast, so that they can go to the garden while full. Here I was making the multi-purpose liquid soap. So I've already put some here. So this one, I'm gonna look for extra container so that I can put this one. So guys, if you wanna know how to make this soap, I did a video. Check my previous video. I'm gonna put the link down on the description of this video, so that you can just click the link and watch directly. Okay. So this will be enough to take them for about 3 to 4 months. I normally make for them when I come, so that they can use it for doing cleaning the house, the toilets, and also washing the vehicle, the car, not the vehicle, the car. Yeah. So guys, I wanna clean the utensils because we are done with breakfast. So let me clean them. So guys, I want to do some laundry here. I wanna hand wash these clothes. So I have water ready, and let me show you where I'm gonna fetch the water. That is where I'm gonna get the water from that tap. Yeah. Hajapatikana. Yule mama mwenye anakuja ninampigia simu, amezima simu. Uko kwao? Guys, I'm done with the laundry. So in an African home, you'll never lack this one. These are sofa covers, vitamba, sofa covers. Our parents love this. You can't lack this in an African village. But nowadays, this is outdated. Nowadays, we have modern sofa covers. But you know, our parents are just our parents. They always use this on their sofas. Yeah. So that is it. The rest of the clothes are there. Guys, I wanna go to the posho meal. I want to go get some ugali flour and also the chicken food. So these are all maize. This one is for, I'm going to get to make chicken food. There's a machine which normally makes chicken food, so this is for chicken and this is for flour. So guys, let's go. I'm back guys. So this is the flour. I put it in the storage container. Then I bought some tomatoes and cabbage, which we are going to have for lunch. So guys, I want to make lunch, so we are going to have cabbage and ugali. I have the tomatoes, onions and green bell pepper. I'm going to chop the cabbage. Here I have cooking oil, Royco cubes, salt. This is Royco powder. This maize flour, I'm going to mix it with the other one from the posho meal to make ugali. So now let's make lunch.
Hii kwa hiyo vitu zake ama?
Hiyo choma tu. Mimi sioni. Hiyo kama ikiingia ndani itaanza kuzalia kuzaa hapo ndani. Ni kitu cha maana hapo. Kuna kitu chako chini. So this is cabbage mixed with greens, the leftover of last night. So I decided to just combine them here, and this is our ugali. So I'm gonna serve, I want to serve the food so that people can eat. Guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. I'm really tired, so I just wanna take a shower, a hot shower, then I can relax, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you love the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and also comment down there and tell me what you think about this video. And also, for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, guys. I will really appreciate a lot. Kindly support me, guys. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. See you in the next one. Bye.